In order for us to prepare schools to be ready for opening, we are working all together as a multi-agency within one government. I am very happy to say that the schools I have seen this morning are all rural, and you will agree with me that they are ready and willing to go. My plea to you and to the public is that we must start thinking positive now. You have seen that the schools have water, they are very clean. The only challenge we shall have is that of social distancing, but our children must come to school. You have heard me saying, asking my brother and friend Dr. Mikal, who is the area MP, to continue to help me together with the PTA and even the teachers and the mothers who are here, to tell the parents that this is a very serious matter, since they are not poor. I have not seen any poverty in this area, Dr. Tuco.
we didn't see them.
I have not seen any poverty. If there is, it is small. And that small one, the government will address it. But families can afford 100 shillings to buy a nice reusable mask that covers both the nose and the mouth. Can that be done between now and the 4th? As far as the indigent children, who are about 3 million out of the 16 million odd, we have already identified a substantial number. In fact, when the schools were opened, we supplied close to 1 million masks to those children that needed them, that could not afford them. When the schools reopen, we have a challenge of another 2 million masks. We already have another million made by Libertas. But there is a gap of 1 million, which we are doing everything possible to identify. Don't wait for those. You, as a parent, go and buy 2 masks for your child. We have already identified those children who either have no parents or whose parents can't afford. So that is with regard to the state of preparedness for schools.